So as you can see now, the Cordova is now finished. The installation is successful and you can see there is no errors. So in this next instruction, all you have to do now is to install the Ionic itself. So you can use the same command format like this: npm install -g and then Cordova and then the word Ionic. Okay, so once you have done it, press enter. Okay, and wait for this processing. Okay, so you see it is now installing the Ionic command line interface and other needed dependencies. Okay, so the installation will take time, and maybe at around 2 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. So once you have done this, all you have to do is to install the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I have to stop it here.